Oh, okay. That's too low. Okay. No. I have a tripod for this shit. Okay, so Joanna left me, and I'm not tired at all because I don't get tired. That's why I didn't grow, because I never slept. And I don't have music playing because this is still not high enough. I don't have music playing because my Spotify ended. Let's just call it that. It ended. Okay? Get over it. Spotify's ended. And yeah, it's Friday and it's 12:37 and God, this is still terrible. I want music. I would like if music was playing. Like if let's try. Let's just try this. I'm gonna try. Hey Google, can you play Spotify?
All right, music on Spotify. Here you go.
Okay. That's great. Because my subscription ended. Love is a song. Okay. I'm starving and I can't stop being super hungry, so I'm gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich because it's Friday. And I thought I would film it because, you know, like, fuck it? You know, you're just like, fuck it, is this really loud? You know that thing? With the like sound? I'm tired. I'm thinking that I put pickles into this grilled cheese. I don't think it's a bad idea. I thought it through quickly, and I don't think that it's a bad idea. As I'm doing this video, I'm highly consciously aware that I'm gonna come off as real dumb during this video. But I just spent about like 7 hours having highly intellectual conversation with Joanna and Nelly about life and acting and art and film and theater and what we want to do as artists, and now I kind of feel like just being shitty, which I think is totally allowed, right? Sometimes you just have Farrah Fawcett bangs and you're just shitty, and that's fine. And I work tomorrow, and I'm not happy about that. Oh. Toast is done. Okay. I wish Eric Vincent was here right now. I'm not gonna lie. Should we say homage? Hey, Eric. I just want you to know that thinking about you, and you're really special. Oh God, I honestly think I'm just really tired. Okay, so I've cut that, and let's get a pan out. I feel like this is like some. Oh, someone just texted me. Someone texted me. Okay, so the trick to the best grilled cheese ever is if you do mayo, right? We all know that. And I have that. It was really back in the fridge. Hellman's olive oil mayo, because fuck yeah, we're not gonna eat regular mayo like some fucking peasant shit. And then I wanna like dip my grilled cheese into pasta sauce. Is that like a weird thing? I don't care shit. It's like dipping it into Like marinara sauce. Let's be real here. Everything's just marinara at the end of the day. Okay, so mayo is apparently the way to go, and I'm gonna put mayo on the outside of this boy. Lots of mayo. At this point in the night, dietary restrictions are just gone. I've eaten mainly vegetables and fruit this week, and started eating red meat at home this week, and I think it gets to a point where you're just fucked and you don't care anymore. But I've been reading a lot and like listening to a lot of things about sugar and how bad it is, which we all know how bad it is, but just like the actual level of added sugar to everything, it's kind of scary, kind of disheartening. But again, I don't really care. Oh, pickles. In it? Probably not in it. I'm gonna eat it on the side, right? Whatever. I think it's gonna be really good. And it's like in this moment I should feel super alone, but I don't, because I wouldn't want anyone else to eat this. Do you know what I mean? Fuck everyone